Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations and wish you all a very happy new year. Let's get started with a beautiful dot mandala in this 14-inch MDF board. I'll start with dotting in the center in white. I'll keep some dots in chrome yellow. I'll keep some pink dots now. Now I'll keep tiny dots in pink. Now I'll keep some marine blue dots. I'll keep some side swipes in marine blue. I'll keep some white dots now. I'll work the dots in white. I'll keep some yellow dots now. I'll work the dots in chrome yellow now. I'll keep some pink dots now. I'll work the dots in pink. I'll put some Fevicol now and fix mirrors later. I'll keep some brush strokes in marine blue. I'll keep some more brush strokes in pink. I'll keep some dots in yellow now. I'll work the dots in yellow. I'll keep some yellow dots now. I'll keep tiny dots in white. I'll keep some pink dots now. I'll keep tiny dots in white. I'll keep marine blue dots. I'll keep tiny dots in white now. I'll keep white dots now. I'll keep a few dots in yellow now. I'll work the dots in yellow. I'll keep some dots in pink. I'll work the dots in pink. I'll keep some brush strokes in marine blue. I'll keep some brush strokes in yellow. I'll keep some pink brush strokes now. I'll keep some white dots now. I'll put some Fevicol now and fix mirrors later. I'm sure this dot mandala came out really bright and beautiful, and I think it is simple to recreate too. I wish you all recreate and share your creations with me. Thank you for watching this video.